Hey guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different DIYs that you can make for fall. I know it's probably a little bit early to be thinking about fall, but I wanted to get this video up early so that you guys would have lots of time to make these projects. So let's just get into the video. The first project is these recycled pumpkins. To make this, you'll need some toilet paper rolls or some paper towel rolls. If you're using toilet paper rolls, you'll need 3 of them, but if you're using paper towel rolls, you'll only need 1 of them. You'll also need either some glitter and glue or some acrylic paint, a stick from outside, some scissors, a hot glue gun, and a piece of string. If you're using toilet paper rolls, cut each one into 8 pieces. For the glitter pumpkin, I took each piece and I covered it with some glue and then covered it with glitter. I did the outsides first. Cover all of the pieces and let them dry. Once they were dry, I took some spray glue and I sprayed the outside of each piece. If you don't have spray glue, you can also use hairspray. And once that was dry, I covered the inside of each piece with glitter. When the glitter on the inside was dry, I sprayed the inside of each piece with spray glue. And now it's time to assemble our pumpkin. I'm taking a piece of string and I'm putting the pieces of the toilet paper rolls onto the string. I found that I needed between 17 and 20 pieces for each pumpkin. Once the pieces are on there, you're going to want to put it into a circular shape, kind of like you're making a necklace or something, and then tie a triple knot in the string to make sure that it's extra secure and cut off the ends of the string. To finish the pumpkin, I used a piece of a stick for the stem. I put it into the pumpkin to see how far up I should put the hot glue, and then I put hot glue all on the bottom of the stick. Place the stick into the center and your DIY pumpkin is done. If you don't have glitter, you can also use acrylic paint to decorate your pumpkin. To make the orange pumpkin, I painted a paper towel roll with 2 coats of acrylic paint. If you're using paint to decorate your pumpkin, it's easier to paint the paper towel roll or toilet paper rolls first before you cut it apart. You can paint the whole thing and set it like this to dry. When the paint was dry, I cut the paper towel roll into 24 equal pieces. Then, using some more acrylic paint, I painted the inside of each piece. I gave the inside of each piece 2 coats of paint, but you probably really only need 1 since you're not going to see it that much. When that dries, thread them onto a string the same way that we did before, and use hot glue to attach a stick into the center. And now you have some super cute pumpkin decorations. The next project is this DIY leaf garland. These leaves were made using a method that I remember using in elementary school. To make this, you'll need crayons, wax paper, a pencil sharpener, some paper towels, an iron, and some scissors. Start by laying down 2 layers of paper towels onto your work surface. Then, place a piece of wax paper onto the paper towels. Using a pencil sharpener, sharpen your crayons over the wax paper. If you want, you can break up the crayon shavings like I'm doing here. I found that I got the best results when I sharpened 2 whole crayons on top of the wax paper. Once you have your crayon shavings down, take another piece of wax paper and put it on top. Then, place a paper towel on top of the 2 pieces of wax paper. Iron on top of the paper towel until all of the crayon wax is melted. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Repeat this process with different color combinations to get different colors of leaves. I used a combination of magenta and yellow and orange, and brown and orange. Print out a picture of a leaf and place it behind your wax paper. Trace the leaf shape onto the wax paper and then cut it out. Repeat this process until you have a whole bunch of leaves. These did take me a while to cut out, and I had to do it in more than one sitting. And once your leaves are done, you can either tape them to the wall like I did here, or you can make them into a garland by using a piece of yarn and hot gluing the leaves to the yarn. If you do this, be very careful because it's really easy to burn yourself with the hot glue. And once that was done, I hung the garland up above my window. The last project is this wooden pumpkin sign. To make this, you'll need some cardboard, scissors, some sticks from outside, and a hot glue gun. Take a piece of cardboard and sketch out a pumpkin shape onto the cardboard. Then go ahead and cut it out. Next, go outside and hunt for some sticks. Rinse the sticks off with water to remove any dirt from them. I laid the sticks outside on a towel to dry. And then hot glue the sticks to your pumpkin shape. I used scissors to cut the sticks and that worked just fine. And now your pumpkin sign is done. If you don't want to make this into a pumpkin shape, you could always make it into a different shape, like a letter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!